Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can start your own electrical accessories manufacturing business using simple tools. It's a field with growing demand, and you don't need a massive factory to begin. Let's get started. First, what exactly are we talking about? Electrical accessories include items like extension cords, power strips, cable ties, and wire connectors. These are essential for homes, offices, and construction sites. The market is always there. Now, for the tools. You won't need a huge investment. A basic toolkit includes wire strippers, crimping tools, screwdrivers, pliers, and a multimeter. You may need a soldering iron too. Safety glasses and gloves are non-negotiable. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity. For production, you will need a workbench and space to organize your materials. You will also need cutting machines for cables. Next, the raw materials. You'll need wires, plugs, sockets, connectors, and casings. Sourcing high-quality materials is crucial for making reliable products. Research different suppliers to get the best prices and quality. Look for suppliers who offer a wide range of components. Then, how do you make the products? Take extension cords as an example. You cut the wire to the required length, strip the ends, connect the plug and socket, and then crimp the connection securely. It is a series of relatively simple steps. For power strips, you assemble the components inside a casing and connect them. Quality control is very important. Test your products before selling them. Ensure everything works and is safe. What about business essentials? You need a business plan, a registration, and any necessary licenses. Research the legal requirements in your area. Consider your target market and pricing strategy. Selling online or through local stores are options. Build a brand and market your products. Think about the packaging and presentation of your products. Financial considerations? You will need to budget for tools, materials, and marketing. Estimate your production costs and set your prices accordingly. Be prepared to reinvest profits to grow your business. Start small and scale up as demand increases. Finally, some tips for success. Prioritize quality, provide excellent customer service, and stay updated with industry trends. Listen to customer feedback and make improvements. Consider specializing in a niche market. And remember, persistence and dedication are key. You can succeed in this business with a smart approach. Thank you for watching.